Absolutely. And the reason why Adam is able to walk with God is because the garden is the ultimate location of life. Death is not present. So therefore,
Mm.
Adam was created to live forever because what separates humanity from God is death. And that's the whole message the Bible. Look, I
Right.
like the Bible only has one message. It's only one message. It's how the Lord is going to conquer death to give us life. That's it. And
Hmm.
then every story is relating that with different people in the story. With David, with Solomon, with Joseph, with Judah, with Aaron, with Moses, with Noah, with Adam. I mean, it's the same story. That's why the book of Genesis begins the way the book of Revelation began. I'm sorry. The way the book of Genesis begins the way the book of Revelation ends. It
Hmm.
ends with the
The
garden.
garden. Yeah.
And the book of Revelation begins the way the book of Genesis ends with the dispersion. Even the
Okay.
book of Exodus. The book of Exodus begins with the exile, oppression, exile, shame, right? And then it finishes with what? With the tabernacle, sacred space restored, that the presence of God came back down after they were redeemed. And then no, they could not worship God because the presence was so heavy. And so the message of God is only one and one only. His desire is to restore the cosmos. Because and we've known the verse, because God so loved the world. But in the
Mhm.
Greek it says cosmos,
Right.
right?
Okay.
Because God so loved the cosmos that he
Right.
gave his only begotten son, whomever believeth in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. So once I understood that the biblical narrative is only trying to point to one solution for one problem that even the temple cannot solve, which is
Mm.
death. But the
Right.
temple can teach you the master plan of how God will still want to have communion with you or have a relationship, even though you've had connection with death. There were rituals, liminal phases, and rites of passages that would allow you to have fellowship with Him again. So the temple is teaching you that, yes, there's a distinction. You have to go through a process of purification to come into sacred space. And if you touch something with death, God is not going to throw you in hell. He says, you live in the real world. I'm still going to allow you to approach me.
Hmm.
Ultimately, that problem will be solved by the burial, death, burial, and resurrection of Yeshua, in which now we have access, to eternal life, because now death no longer has authority over our lives. It's the ultimate sacred space.